small town near Barcelona. Let's see what's happening in the train station.
Mary, finally we arrived to Barcelona.
Yes, we can use the bus, the underground, the ship, the tank, and this train from the airport.
I think that you have yourself.
Nonsense. The problem is the airport is horrible.
¿Tú te has pasado el job de Super Mario Bros?
Sí.
¿Qué tal?
Excuse me, amigo from Catalonia, Valentina, guitarra, Cagané, de mucho gusto a Messi.
Do you know where is the parkway? Sorry, can you repeat?
Parkway, Antonio Gaudí.
¿A qué señor volará la carrera Antonio Gaudí? It's very facilitio. Turn right, turn left, turn right, turn left. Pasa semaforitio, turn right, turn left, turn right.
Okay, perfect. Bye bye.
Are you sure?
Of course, let's go.
Bye-bye. After walking a lot and being lost, they arrived to the church square.
Look, the Cathedral of Barcelona.
Are you sure, Daddy?
It's not very big.
Excuse me, this is not the Cathedral of Barcelona. This is San Madrid Church. It's very beautiful. I can find it in the map because you are in Barcelona. You are in Samor. These Catalan people are only joking. Finally, we arrived to the parkway. Hello, where is the dragon? ¿Qué? Raúl, ves en cuenta que me están viendo el carro. And where is the parkway? In Barcelona. So they continue walking.
This is the City Hall of Barcelona.
It's wonderful, but not very big. Mira que turistas creen que están a Barcelona. Además, explicarle que no es ahí.
Good morning, I'm sorry. This is the City Hall of Samboy. Wow, and where is Barcelona?
You need to go to train station.
Okay, let's go.
I'm sorry for the confusion.
No, I love Samboy.
We come back another day.
Here you are, Mama.
Daddy, do you know how to use it?
Ha ha ha. Thank you.
See you soon.
Bye
Bye bye.